How to cut and sew this tailor's ham. Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's video, I will take you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a tailor's ham by yourself. So if this is what you're interested in learning, stay tuned because this is going to be the easiest tailor's ham tutorial you see on the internet today. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is to fold my fabric into four. You can see this piece of fabric here. I've folded it into four, and the next thing I'll do is from this folded point here, I'll start marking 4.5 inches like this, like the way you mark your flare, you understand? So I'll mark it all around it in a circular form like this. And now after I'm done marking it, I'll go ahead and cut it out using my scissors. Now that I've done this, I'll drop this aside. Then I'll go ahead and bring another piece of fabric, and I'll also go ahead and fold it into four equal parts. So I hope you're seeing the way I'm folding it. Just go ahead and fold yours like that. Now I'll bring that first one we dropped aside and I'll place it. So I'll make sure I place it where the folded part is facing towards this folded fabric. Guys, I hope you understand. Then I'll trace exactly what we have. So right now we have two pieces. I'll open it up and you can see it's giving us this big circle here. Now that we have done that, I'll place the fabric right side facing each other and I'll stitch all around it, but leaving about 2 inches. So I'll not stitch about 2 inches. So let me stitch it and show you what it looks like. Guys, after stitching, this is exactly what we have. And now what I'll have to do just to knot all around it so that when we turn it over to the right side, it's really flat. So let me turn it over now and show you what it looks like. So from that 2 inches, we are going to be turning. That's why I told you to leave about 2 inches. So see the way I'm just doing mine, I'm using my scissors to turn it over. So from that opening, I'll just bring this out. Now when you bring it out, you'll notice that because of that notching, it will be at least a little bit flat. But if you want it to be flatter, just go over to your ironing table and give it a good press. Guys, after doing that, I just went ahead to cut out the excess thread that was there. Now that I've done that, the next thing I'll do is to put my leftover fabrics in that, from that opening, guys. I'll be putting my leftover fabric. So make sure you stuff as much fabric as you can into it. Make sure just keep on putting your leftover fabrics till it cannot enter again. Just be putting it because we need this to be very firm. So guys, after I was done, you can see how mine is very full. So you stuff it very well with your leftover fabric. And after I did that, this is what I have. And now the next thing I wanted to do is to bring my hand needle, and you can see I've already put my thread there, and I'm using it to stitch up that opening, that about 2 inches opening we left. Guys, I hope you see what I'm just doing. So you make sure you stitch it very well so that it will be very tight and it doesn't loosen up easily. So I'll stitch it very well, guys. And when I'm reaching towards the ending part here, so what I'm just going to do, I'll make sure I secure it very well so that it doesn't lose up. So just watch carefully. So I'll put it like this. Then I'll go ahead and secure it about 3 times. Then I'll draw my thread like this. So with this, it is well secured. Now, guys, I hope you see what I did. Just go ahead and do yours exactly the same way. And that is it, guys. Our tailor's ham is ready. Guys, wasn't this tutorial so easy? If it was, please tell me if you'll be trying it out and tell me which color you'll be making yours in the comment section. There you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. If you also want to see me, do well to hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload new amazing tutorials. See you guys, bye.